Beko is one of the latest brands to consider for a gas lighting range. They're also affordable, but are they any good? In this video, we'll discuss the Beko gas range's best features and compare Beko to their main competition, Samsung, KitchenAid, and GE. Let's get started. Beko may be new in the US, but they're incredibly popular in Europe and actively market in 146 countries. They're the parent company to Blomberg and also manufacture appliances for Viking and Blue Star. Let's look at the range, starting with the cooktop. Beko is the largest usable cooking space. All ranges are 30 inches wide and 24 inches deep, but brands like KitchenAid place the controls on the top, so you have less usable cooktop space. Others like GE have metal to limit the amount of pans you can place on the top. Beko is an 18,000 BTU brass burner. 18,000 is the same output as a Thermador Pro. Unfortunately, the max output in the other burners is 12,500, followed by a 10,000, 8,000, and a similar burner at 4. So it's a bit underpowered after the power burner. The oven is excellent, with convection and good size along with a warming drawer to keep foods warm up to 3 hours. It has some pretty interesting automatic programs for bread, pizza, turkey, and a mode to just keep the oven warm. The drawer doesn't dehydrate your food like a microwave. Finally, Beko offers a 2-year warranty on their gas range, which is twice as long as the competition. It is in the middle in terms of price and features. You can also buy a reasonably priced package with a matching microwave, counter-depth refrigerator, and dishwasher. So how does Beko compare to the other brands? KitchenAid's gas range retails about $22.99 and also offers true convection. KitchenAid's oven is larger, but the cooktop is smaller due to where they place the control. KitchenAid has 2 power burners at 17 and 15,000 BTU with a better output than Beko. GE's comparative range has a more powerful tri-ring burner than Beko at 21,000. They also offer 15,000 BTU output. GE does have the Wi-Fi capability, which allows you to access different programs and recipes, as well as turning the oven on and off automatically from an app on your phone. Samsung's base slide-in has similar burner profiles to Beko without a warming drawer. Their best range is their Flex Duo double oven with a 22,000 and 17,000 BTU burner. The oven can be flexed for 2 ovens using their smart divider. It's a great idea. However, there is a limit to the actual temperature you can set both ovens. I think it's a good consideration. The top is a bit underpowered after the power burner. However, the oven has good size and is easy to use. You could buy more featured ranges, but you'll spend more money. Or you can spend less for less features. It all depends on how you use the oven and your particular cooking style. Click the link to download our free gas range buyer's guide.